Welcome students, we are expected to find the value of x. Foremost, I would like to rewrite this as 5 raised to the power of x positive 5 squared raised to the power of x positive 5 cubed raised to the power of x is equal to 14. Now a raised to the power of n raised to the power of m can be rewritten as a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n. So I can interchange the position of 2 and x. So this is going to be 5 raised to the power of x positive 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2 positive 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 14. Now let me take 5 raised to the power of x is equal to t. That would give me t positive t squared positive t cubed is equal to 14. Now I can rewrite this as t cubed positive t squared positive t negative 14 is equal to 0. Now 14 can be split as 8 positive 4, 8 added with 4 is 12, 12 added with 2 will give me 14. So this is the way I am splitting. So this is going to be t cubed positive t squared positive t negative of 8 added with 4 added with 2 is equal to 0. Now I would like to club 8 with t cubed, and then t squared is clubbed with 4, or 4 is clubbed with t squared, and then 2 is clubbed with t. So t negative 2 is equal to 0. So this is what we have got. Now this can be rewritten as t cubed negative 2 cubed positive. This can be written or I would say rewritten as t squared negative 2 squared. This is t negative 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so moving on, I am going to write t cubed negative 2 cubed as, this is going to be of the form a cubed negative b cubed, which is a negative b times a squared positive ab positive b squared. So t cubed negative 2 cubed is equal to t negative 2 times t squared positive 2 times t positive 2 squared, that's going to be 4. So in place of this I would substitute this. So this is t negative 2 times of t squared positive 2t positive 4 positive. Now t squared negative 2 squared, this is of the form a squared negative b squared, which is going to be a negative b times a positive b. So this is going to be t negative 2 times t positive 2 positive t negative 2 is equal to 0. So this is what you have got. Now what I would do is I will go to the next page. From here I am going to take t negative 2 out. So I take t negative 2 out, I get t squared positive 2t positive 4 positive t negative 2 is taken out. So this is going to be t positive 2, and then positive 1 is equal to 0. So this is what we have got. Now this can be further rewritten as t negative 2 times t squared positive 2t positive 4 added with 2 is 6, 6 added with 1 will be 7, right? 4 added with 2 added with 1, and then you have a t there. This is equal to 0. So this is going to be t squared positive 2t added with t, it's going to be 3t, and 4 added with 2 added with 1 is going to be 7 is equal to 0. So this is what you have got. Now from here, if ab is equal to 0, this means a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So t negative 2 is equal to 0, or t squared positive 3t positive 7 is equal to 0. Now this means t is equal to 2. This in turn would mean, now we have actually taken t to be equal to 5 raised to the power of x, right? So that means 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 2. I'm going to take log on both sides, log to the base 5 on both sides. And I know that log a raised to the power of b is equal to b times log a. So this is going to be x times log 5 to the base 5 is equal to log 2 to the base 5. Now there's a formula log a to the base a is equal to 1. So this means x is equal to log 2 to the base 5. So this is a real root. Now I'm going to consider t squared positive 3t positive 7 is equal to 0. Consider t squared positive 3t positive 7 is equal to 0. I will use the quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 7. So T is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2 times A, which is negative 3 plus or minus root of 3 squared negative 4 times 8 times 7 times divided by 2 times of 1. This is negative 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9, 7 fours are 28 divided by 2 times 1. Now from 28 you take away 9, so this would be 9 and 1, 19. So negative 3 plus or minus root of negative 19 divided by 2. I'm going to rewrite this as negative 3 plus or minus root of 19I squared divided by 2, which is negative 3 plus or minus I times the root of 19 divided by 2. Now, as I mentioned to you, let me use this space here just to wrap it up. Now t is equal to 5 raised to the power of x. So 5 raised to the power of x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus I times the root of 19 divided by 2. So you take log to the base 5. So this is log 5 raised to the power of x to the base 5 is equal to log of negative 3 plus or minus I times the root of 19 divided by 2, all to the base 5. Now this will give you x is equal to log of negative 3 plus or minus I times the root of 19 divided by 2 to the base 5. So this is giving us 2 complex roots, and the previous case we got 1 real root. So that ends the solution for this question.